Think I'm gonna get him the $100,000?
Interesting little camera. I was very excited to test this in the channel. Welcome guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter, guys. I was very interested because, you know, sometimes whenever you post something in the channel, I sometimes feel that honest opinions are always required, and hence this channel is Opinions Matter. I picked this up because Canon said that this is a Canon IV camera, small, shoots 1080 at 30. I said, okay, maybe a lot of my subscribers, they are not looking for a very professional camera or anything. They just want something like a point and shoot, something they can pass on to the kids, Christmas gift or not. So I was like, this is a very good Christmas gift. So I was like, okay, fine, I'll pick this up. And I asked Tech5 to pick this up. So Tech5 bought this in his channel, for his channel. And let's switch the lens to this camera now. Alrighty guys, so this is from the Canon IV. Like sometimes when you're going for vacation, you might want to take this camera, but no stabilization. So watch when I walk and everything, whether you see stabilization or not, because I'm holding the camera in my hand. Look into the low light kind of test, and it is also kind of a microphone test because there is a lot of noisy environment all around me. So you can see it's too noisy. What turned me off is that this camera cannot do 1080 at 30 FPS, even though their website says it. It shoots only 720p. 720p at 30 FPS. Their website says it should be 1080 at 60, and that is the reason it got me excited. Pictures. Alrighty, I'll show you some pictures. Let's take some pictures now. App is a mess. So how to transfer quickly your pictures or videos that you have just shot from your Canon IV? All you do is go to this Wi-Fi button out here and click on that. After that, your Wi-Fi turns on. Download the app which is called Minicam, and after that you just the Canon just loads up everything. It's very automatic actually, but there you go, it actually finds your camera and everything. After that, click on that big icon which shows gallery. Unfortunately, there is no live view, guys, so if you are trying to frame your shots, it's you have to frame it like you frame it. Not framing yourself, like framing, like, I don't know, whatever. It takes a good amount of time to load, good amount, like I cannot even roll the camera continuously. And after that, you see that beautiful pictures and videos that you just shot have come up. And we are going to transfer all these footages just by clicking on them one by one. Okay, well, one by one. And it will take till tomorrow to transfer 2-minute footage to your phone. Probably when you are traveling, you might even have small fights with your wife. Your kids might be angry with you. You might be suffering from depression just because your footage is not transferring. And so make sure you guys are picking up a few anti-headache kind of. I think very safe drug is paracetamol or acetaminophen. So you should pick up 500 milligrams of acetaminophen. Now we are going to stop because I'm running out of patience.
Das, I brought you some coffee, man. The footage is finally done.
Oh, the footage is done,
Yeah,
guys.
Oh,
okay. 3 in the morning?
Yeah, you fell asleep, brother.
Oh shit, I need to, sorry guys. Okay, so footage, can you hold the coffee for a second?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, been like 3 in the morning already. Footage just got transferred, that to one of the clips. And now you can review the footage. There is a small icon with which you can share and everything. But then there is another footage that we have to transfer. But this deserves a special place. And I am like, who might have thought about this?
Can you record this?
And this
is the Canon IVY.
Anton has a very good story about this, which is based on Indiegogo, and they raised how much, Anton? How much did they raise?
522% to target.
522% of target from Indiegogo. And sorry for those of you guys that invested on this. This is a non-refundable product because you guys bought it from Indiegogo. I'm sorry for you guys. I feel bad. Now, let's see an enactment of what might have gone wrong.
So, let me introduce you guys. I am the CEO of Canon, and I just arrived in Los Angeles because I need to scout a team for an idea I had, and this is an idea for a travel camera. Now, let me go try to scout some people and see if I could actually find someone for my design team. Let's see. I'm gonna get a better view from the top. Hopefully I could find a couple people for this design. The thing is, I need a couple, like a team, a good team to make this camera really good. Huh. Sir. What are you doing?
Sorry.
You good?
Sorry.
Is everything okay, sir?
Yeah, sorry.
Are you currently like good? Sir, I'm a CEO of Canon.
English?
CEO of Canon.
Canon?
What is
Canon?
Canon, a camera company.
Camera! I love camera. I love camera. Yeah.
Yes, me.
Job, please, job.
Job, yes, sir. Sir, listen, calm down. I am a CEO of Canon. Can you stop smoking for a second, sir? Just put it right. Okay, all right. Sit down. Look. You want money? Cigarettes.
Money.
Okay, look. I have an idea. I have a travel camera, a small camera.
Lighter size.
Like a little bit bigger.
Two lighters. I got 2 lighters. 2 lighters.
Yes, and a little bit longer.
A little bit longer, 3 lighters. 3 lighters.
What's that?
I don't have 3 lighters. Cigarette packet, no.
Oh, yes. Take out the...
I cannot promote cigarettes.
Okay, all right. Yes, yeah, like this.
I can make it.
Okay.
I can make it.
No, wait, sir. It's a travel camera, waterproof. Yes, can you make it? Yes, good job. You know what? I'm gonna do it on Indiegogo. You know what Indiegogo go? People will pay you money.
India?
No, not India. Indiegogo. Yes. I mean, what? Look. People will pay you money.
Money? I love money.
Yes. Make a camera. Just make it. Design it. Make it. Okay. It's gonna sell. I'm Canon. Canon sells.
Pen and paper?
Yes. Hold on.
Give me a tissue paper. I will make you a camera.
I have toilet. You want toilet paper?
Toilet paper.
Yes. Good.
Yes.
Okay. Contract.
How much?
I'm gonna probably make over $500,000 on this camera, so 100K. No, sir, no, don't touch me. Sit down. I'll be back next week. Sir.
100K. I do not even earn $10 a day.
Your cigarette is burning. Cigarette is burning. Okay, sir, I'll be back in a week. Wait for me here with the design. Are you gonna design the camera?
Can you come back after 1 hour? Your camera is ready.
Next week?
No, 1 hour. I want that money very hard. I can make you a camera in 1 day. 1 hour, sir.
I found a person. I'm gonna be back in a. He said an hour. I'm gonna come back in a week. I don't think no. Hello, camera design. Duh. Stay tuned. I will record my whole journey when I'm back to this area next week. Stay tuned, guys. All right, guys. So I'm back. It's been what, about probably a week and a half. I gave him a little bit more time. Let's go find them. I told him the same area. Sir? Oh, what? Where? Man, he smokes. Oh man. Sir? Hello? Where is he? Hello, sir? I told him strictly, be here. Sir? Oh, sir! Sir, I was looking for you. What are you doing?
I figured it out.
Alright, sir. I was looking for you everywhere. What are you? This is not my product.
No, I finally found it.
Let me.
2 lighter, 1 lighter.
Oh my god.
Prototype.
Let me. Wow, you made this?
Yeah, clip to hang.
Waterproof?
Waterproof, fireproof, dustproof, explosion proof. Tripod. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Tripod. Canon.
All right, let me go get you your money. Stay here.
Okay.
Stay here. My car is over there.
Okay.
Let me get you the money. Stay here.
Okay. 100K. Thank you, God. 100K. You made my...
All right, guys. This is the prototype he made me. All I need to do is make a little lens clip right here that says Canon. I think I'm gonna get him the $100,000. Look at him. Get in the car and leave.
Alrighty guys, so the reason that we made this video, at first just to make you know that I do not smoke, that smoking was a part of an acting, but man, I smell like cigarettes. Anyways, so the thing is that we did this because just to show you guys that this camera doesn't deserve that $100. They could have done it better. This is our ask to Canon guys itself. That Canon, why in 2019 did you have to make a camera like this that doesn't even have, at least make it 1080 at 60 with the stabilization. You know, like a lot of us, we shoot 1080 at 60. But this product doesn't deserve anything, probably. We probably might have stretched this and made it a little bit more, enacted this just because to show you what might have went wrong, because we couldn't find the answer. If you like this presentation and if you think that an honest opinion was presented to you before the channel, do give a like, thumbs up, share. Anyways guys, signing out. Peace.